Hi, I'm Sam. I'm the floor manager here in the machine components department at AW Fraser. I've been here for about 13 years. So I started out in the extrusion bay and then I progressed to the packing department for the machine shop at the time. I have also spent 2 years in customer service with the sales team and obviously now here as the floor manager. My role now is largely focused around the planning of the jobs that come through the machine components department, making sure that we're releasing jobs to the factory on time and then sort of following that through the machining, through the offline if needed, inspection and out the door again at the end with packing. A typical day for me would consist of looking at what we achieved in the previous day, seeing what challenges we've faced, what problems we might need to look at resolving with our team leaders, and then working out or adjusting our plan going forward just to make sure that all the machines we have running are running well and making sure that all the materials available for the machines to produce. Also work with the tech team quite a bit and where we can improve on certain products, following up with packing quite often during the day as well, just to make sure we're on top of things from that end. My favourite part of the role is probably all the different challenges I face, so every day is a little bit different, no 2 days are the same, so it can stem from breakdowns that mean we have to change our plan. It's just those little things that come up during the day that you have to sort of problem solve and work through to get production running as good as possible.